Innovative automation and flexible assistance systems have long been a reality in various areas of the BMW Group. At a recent press event in Munich, journalists were able to find out more about the technologies that support associates. After 25 years, digitalization is fundamental to the workings of almost every area of the company. So rather than thinking about whether or not to digitalize, the question now is, what new forms of digitalization and what new opportunities will really help us to improve our manufacturing and make us more competitive every day? At the press event, specialists were on hand to demonstrate some of the equipment associates are already using. One example is exoskeletons. These support workers who have to stand or crouch for prolonged periods. Upper body solutions with mechanical spring supports enhance joint strength and upper arm mobility. Another example is augmented reality applications. Running on tablets, these compare actual components with virtual specifications, so errors can be detected early in concept validation, for instance. Live links to BMW Group plants showed the various technologies in operation on the shop floor.
Hallo nach München und herzlich willkommen in Dingolfing.
Here, in axle drive assembly, humans and machines work in close proximity. A lightweight robot performs heavy-duty tasks, lifting bevel gears of up to 8 kilograms and positioning them precisely where they need to go, with just the right force and for hours on end. Meanwhile, over at Plant Leipzig, associates and lightweight robots work closely on the line in BMW i3 assembly. This robot applies just the right amount of viscous adhesive to the windscreen, with perfect pressure throughout. Transmission assembly in Regensburg. Here, an associate is operating a large industry robot at a bolting station. Before, the two would have been separated by tall fences. Today, associates can work directly and safely, even with conventional large industry robots.
The new robot is much easier and more convenient to work with. It's simpler and lighter to move.
The previous one took much more strength, so it's a lot more ergonomic now. Another example of a smart, associate-focused application can be found in wheel arch production in the Munich body shop. This lightweight robot helps associates by positioning components with absolute precision. With 7 axles, this high-tech helper is extremely flexible, but takes up very little space. And its helping hands are more than welcome among colleagues.
I think people are always willing to try something if it helps them.
And if they think, yeah, that makes sense, there's no discussion about the whys and wherefores. Instead it's, when do I get mine? Can I try one out? What's it good at? Can you guys come and see me too? Those are the kind of questions we like to hear. According to the experts, people will reclaim production spaces by developing the work environment to their advantage. It's a process that's already happening at the BMW Group. We observe the trends, see what's going on out there, and connect what we see with ideas from our production people. I think that's exactly what gives rise to innovations and new ideas. It's about relating outside perspectives to inside operations, to the work people do here every day, and how they improve processes. And it's all in the name of the BMW Group's competitiveness and future viability. For more, watch our forthcoming reports.